Hollywood celebrities, they're eating mermaids. Allegedly, a guy came out and he said, "Oh, I was invited to like some celebrity A-list party, and guess what they fed me? They literally fed me mermaids," and I 100% believe it. When he rejected it, he said he went into one of the coolers and saw the mermaids.
No
right?
way.
And
In the cooler?
And I believe this. Why? Because another fisherman, he came out and he said he caught something that made his whole boat turn pale.
Whoa.
And when he reeled it in, it was like 5-foot human-looking person with like gray and fins all over and gills all over her face.
Yeah.
Right? And he exposed it. He said a lot of fish markets label them under exotic. So those exotic fish markets specifically look for mermaids.
What the-
Because those go for the most. Because who's buying the millionaires in Hollywood?